We are Parque Central Free Trade Zone, your gateway to global markets. We are an industrial park with more than 115 hectares located in Cartagena, just 13 kilometers from the main port of Colombia and the fifth most efficient in the world. Our strategic location allows companies to reduce logistic costs, taking advantage of Cartagena's foreign trade connectivity. We have tax and customs incentives that allows us to optimize competitiveness in international markets, which, combined with our physical and technological infrastructure, enables an agile and efficient operation. Thanks to our park's automated entry and exit system, we have reduced vehicle and merchandise entry and exit times to less than a minute. We're one of the free trade zones with the fastest growth trend in the country. Between 2021 and 2023, we grew by 78% in number of users and in 2023 by 160% in exports. At Parque Central, we offer real estate solutions and facilitate the installation and startup of your company in Cartagena with a wide variety of areas such as warehouses that are adaptable to your needs. We believe in the talent of young people and the transformative power of women. 2/3 of our employees are women, and we are committed to inclusion. We have generated more than 2,500 direct and indirect jobs. If your company's goal is to be more competitive in international markets and increase exports, Parque Central Free Trade Zone is your place to be.